Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy IP Boss back again on this YouTube channel. Today I really am really excited about our growth on this YouTube channel. We hit 1k subscribers on this channel. Yay! So I really appreciate for clicking, supporting, subscribing and commenting on my videos. So I just promised that once we hit 1k subscribers on this channel that I'm going to do a $100 giveaway to only two random people. So if you want to join on this giveaway contest, all you can do is to just subscribe to this channel and follow us on our Instagram page at IPBoysFX. The link is down below on my description or on the screen. You can check. So it doesn't matter if even though you are a new subscriber or you are an old time subscriber, anybody can win. So if you are lucky enough, I choose you as one of the persons that is going to win this $100 random giveaway. All you can do is to just follow the instructions. So on this video I want to teach you guys the major apps which you need for your trading. These major apps is app which will really help you to grow, and which this app will really help you without not stressing much. So as a new beginner, once you have this app on your phone, all I advise is that this app has its time and its period which you are going to use it. You don't just use this app at any time. So that's why I start to want to create this content, because some people don't have times of doing their things. Even though you have a gaming app on your phone, there's scheduled time which you play games, and there's times not to just to stay out from your phone or to stay out from social media. So this app is really good to have on your phone, and also good to have times which you use it and times which you don't use it. The first one I'm going to teach you guys, I'm going to show you guys, once you download a broker, every brokerage has their own apps on their phone. Let's say me, I have like 3 brokers that I always like trading: Snails, Infinix.com, FBS or FX Pro. So these brokers, their apps are always on my phone, and I also categorize them on times which I use them and which one I would like to trade with them this month or in a particular couple of times. So what I do is that these brokers or these apps helps you in withdrawing and depositing process very freely and easy to use. So if you have a Android or if you are using a iOS, all you can do is to just freely download it on your phone. Doesn't cost much, doesn't take much MB. Just download it on your phone freely and you start using it. So let's say if you don't have a laptop, you can start trading with your phone immediately using these apps. These apps are also on mobile device and also system or PCs. The number 2 app is your MT4 and your MT5 app. So what does this MT5 and MT4 app does is that this MT4 and MT5 app is the app which you connect your broker to. Once you connect your broker to, this is where you start managing your trade. This is where you start executing trade. This app is where you start placing your stop loss or your buy limit or your sell limit or your sell stop or any type of futures. You can as well do some technical analysis on your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 app. So all you can do is to just download it, log in your broker to there, so that you have an advantage of managing your trade and navigating to trading futures. So the number 3 app, this app is really for if you have if you're a stock trader, you really need this CNBC app. What does this CNBC app does is that it gives you that fundamental news of stock trading. It shows you when stocks are trading, stocks like Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, Google, Apple, and other pays or Wall Street news. So this is what this app does, is that it gives you that fundamental news or about stock, telling you when stock is about to rise, and also telling you when stock is about to dip. In this app, we have selected watch lists like stocks. Let's say you are trading Nasdaq or you're trading German 30. There are collection of stocks that made up US 30. Number 4 is Investingcom app. So if you are a currency trader, you need this Investingcom app. Just get to download it on your phone. So what does this Investingcom app does is that it gives you news, fundamental news based on currency pairs like US news, Euro news, British news, Japanese news, or Australian news. So this app has a good medium news. It has a high impact news. You only trade high impact news on this trading, because fundamental trading is divided into three. We have high impact news, we have middle news, and we have short impact news. So these short impact news are news that doesn't really move the market, and also medium doesn't really move that much in the market. The only news which we forex traders or currency traders trade is high impact news, because this high impact news is the only news that when it comes, if you don't know how to trade it, it can wipe your account immediately. It has good moves, good impressive moves that really spike and give people profit, and also blow people's accounts. So that is it. You have to learn first. If you want to learn how to trade fundamental news, you can check previously on my content. I have content for that, or you can click on this screen here which I'm pointing right now. So the number 4 or 5, because I'm running out of number, I don't know the previous number that I called. All you need is you having your FX book app on your phone. You get to download your FX book on your phone. This app has an awesome features. It gives you signal. It also tells you where to buy, the point to buy, and also points to sell in your trading. It just do some analysis for you and tell you points to buy and points to sell, and you have to put your stop losses about this way. And it also gives you a fundamental news data once it's released. So it's an awesome app. You get to download it on your phone, and it also have times for news, because once you open the apps, it gives you time for those news. So you only open it once you do your analysis for the day. You check on the news the time you have your high impact news. You don't just open app and just leave it. So once that time is about to trigger, you open it and wait for the news to release. Once the news is released, if it's a good positive news, it will record to it will collide with your analysis and give you good profits. So this is the apps which I have for you guys. The next one which I recommend is TradingView. TradingView is an awesome app which I really recommend, and I also use. A lot of people use TradingView for their technical analysis. So one thing I love about this TradingView is that you can upgrade it at any time. You can upgrade to pro version of it. You can upload indicator on it. You can search any indicator which you want to use. If you are not a naked chart trader, you use indicator, moving average, crossover, and other things. All you need is to just click on the search button, search the indicator which you want or which you want to apply on your chart. It will just bring it out and pop on your screen. Then you start using it as your strategy. You can also link your broker to your TradingView. That's an awesome one. TradingView has a lot of features on it. I really recommend that. So another one is that this TradingView also, you can also watch other people's analysis, what they are doing, what they are anticipating about the price. Let's say you have done your analysis and you want to see what other people are saying or anticipating about a certain pair, all you can do is to just search on this pair and then click on any one on any pair. Just once you click it, you start seeing people's write up their picture, the picture of the analysis and what they are anticipating about price. These days there are some programs, some challenge. Let's say you want to run a my Forex fund challenge and you cannot fund your Forex fund, or you cannot make a payment through Forex fund without not using any crypto wallet. So I recommend using any crypto wallet for some transactions online. Let's say you want to fund a broker through Bitcoin or through any means of cryptocurrency, so you need a cryptocurrency apps like Binance or Trust Wallet. I really recommend Binance because it's very easy. You can buy through peer-to-peer trading, or you can also buy through your credit card from your bank to your wallet immediately. It doesn't waste time. So the last app is your Zoom. Zoom is for your mentorship meetings or you trying to join a mentorship course. This Zoom is where you follow up on your mentorship class, and also if you're a pro trader, you have a mentorship or a mentees that you're teaching. Use this Zoom app as you reaching to them, connecting with them without not ghosting them on trying to teach them, but they don't know who is teaching them. So Zoom is a kind of good platform that you reach out to your students very easily. You can talk, share a live video, you can also share chat analysis, you can connect your system and share chat analysis with them.